Oh my god! Alex, you have to see this! Alex, come look at this! You are not going to believe it!
Alex, where are you? Alex? Alex? I'm coming in.
What is it now?
Alex, come on! I knew we'd find something.
Are you serious?
Yes, you have to come see it.
Okay. But you know we've been through this before so many times.
I know, but this time I'm not mistaken.